If your microphone is not working on Discord, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can help you get your mic working again fast. This is one of the most common Discord issues, and the good news is that most of the time it can be solved with just a few quick settings checks. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get right into it. First, open Discord and go to your settings. You can do that by clicking the gear icon near your username in the bottom left corner of the screen. This takes you into your user settings area, where all of your audio and device options are stored. Once you're in settings, look for voice and video on the left-hand menu and click it. This is the section where Discord manages your microphone, input sensitivity, and voice output settings. If your mic is not being detected, this is the first place you should check. Now scroll down to the microphone section and make sure the correct microphone is selected. Sometimes Discord may be using the wrong input device, especially if you have a headset, a webcam mic, or multiple audio devices connected to your computer. Click the microphone dropdown and choose the device you actually want to use. After selecting the correct microphone, increase the microphone volume slider. If the volume is too low, Discord may not pick up your voice properly, even if the mic is connected correctly. Adjust the slider upward and then speak normally to see whether the input becomes stronger and clearer. Next, use the mic test feature. Click the mic test option and speak into your microphone. Watch closely to see if Discord is detecting your voice. If the test shows movement or playback, then your mic is working in Discord, and the issue may just be related to sensitivity or output settings. If nothing is detected, then the problem may be with your device or headset settings. Now make sure to inspect your headphones or headset itself. Some headsets have a manual controller for microphone and sound, such as a mute switch, volume wheel, or inline control panel. Check carefully to make sure the microphone mute switch is not turned off. This is a very common reason people think Discord is broken when the mic is actually muted on the headset itself. Also, if your headset has a physical microphone button, toggle it off and on again just to be safe. Sometimes these small controls get bumped accidentally, and that can prevent your voice from being picked up at all. Once you've checked the correct microphone, increased the volume, tested the mic, and confirmed that your headset is not muted, go back and try speaking in a Discord call or voice channel again. In many cases, these simple adjustments are enough to fix the issue completely. If you're still having trouble, you may want to unplug and reconnect your headset, restart Discord, or restart your computer. But in most cases, the steps in this video will solve the microphone problem quickly. The key is to make sure Discord is using the right input device and that no physical mute switch is blocking your audio. That's it. You now know how to fix a microphone that is not working on Discord. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.